Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging, and I'm here at Productronica India this afternoon, and I'm sitting with Mr. Gujral from SYRMA, who is going to tell us, to begin with, a little bit more about his company. So, sir, tell us.
Yeah, good afternoon. SYRMA SGS Technology is a 34-year-old company, legacy of 34 years, with manufacturing facilities across India, a design center in Germany, marketing presence in US. We specialize into medical electronics, industrial, automotive, and consumer. We are exporting to about 8 countries across the world, and 30% of our revenues are coming in from exports. We are one of the very few companies in the country which has a portfolio of RFID also in our basket.
So you have, as you say, a broad spectrum that you can supply to, and obviously you're being successful in the global market as well, because 34% of exports is a good number. And I'm sure with the way India is growing, the exports for you are going to grow also. Yeah?
Yes. We as a company have been growing at about 54% CAGR over the last 3 years. Exports CAGR is about 19%. We had our IPO, the public listing, in August of 22, and since then we have doubled our turnover. And we are currently, this year, 24-25, will close at about $600 million. Next year, the plan is to take it about 750 and $1 billion by FY27.
Wow, I don't need to tell you they're impressive numbers, because you could see the way I was smiling when you were saying them. You know, it's the sort of thing I think can only happen in India.
Yes, I think India is uniquely placed currently, A, because of the geopolitical situation, and B, and more importantly, geopolitical situations may change. I think the core is the growth which India is witnessing. And India, in 1 year, adds the population of Australia to its middle class. So the discretionary spend for lifestyle products and electronics, it's now becoming a necessity, is immense. And I don't think there's any other country in the world which can offer such a growing market, number one. A market which has a large pool of technically English-speaking population, which can take care of the needs of manufacturing. And the depth of this labor market is so huge that even if 10 Foxcons come into India, it doesn't create a ripple on the market except in the local area where they are situated. Unlike many of the smaller countries where the depth of the market, labor market, is not there.
Yeah, it's an incredible thing, and obviously also you have a strong supportive government as well.
Yes, the government, I think I've been in this industry for 40 years, and we've never ever seen a more proactive government. If there is a lag in delivery, it is because of the industry, not because of the government. The government is such a huge facilitator to the manufacturing.
Yep, and that's diametrically opposite to most other countries in the world.
Yes. Yes. And another thing very particular to India is that, again, none of the other big countries are as big as India, a thriving democracy, a very proactive judiciary where the rule of law prevails, which reassures a foreign investor that should, in the unlikely event, injustice be meted out either by the local partner or the government, there is a judiciary which will bring justice to them. And there are n number of instances where judicial pronouncements have gone in favor of the multinational companies against the government or against the local partner, which unfortunately or fortunately for us, is not the case with a lot of many other countries.
Yep, there are huge advantages, and I'm sure the people who are viewing this video, thanks to the great words that you've given us, will understand a little bit more about the market, why it is so good, why the future is so good, and why a lot more people should be here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you, sir, for your time and sharing your knowledge with us.
Thank you.
That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, Productronica India, signing off.
Introducing Scan XT by NMT Automation, the future of high-speed inspection technology. Achieve 100% coverage from SMDs to through-hole components, even on challenging surfaces. Our multi-LED scan unit ensures parallax-free precision. NMtronics integrates Scan XT seamlessly, covering solder joints and conformal coatings. Get quick error feedback, saving time, cost, and improving quality.